Hello kids, today we shall start our new chapter from tasting to digesting. Before starting this chapter, let me remember you that we have done a chapter named Super Senses, which was the first chapter of this EVS book. Remember, there we have learned about different types of senses, 5 types of senses. The first one was the sense of sight or the sense of vision. Next was the sense of smell. Then we have learned about the sense of hearing and sense of touch. Mainly 4 types of senses we have learned in chapter 1. But we have not much discussed about the sense of taste. So this is the opportunity. This chapter is giving you the opportunity to learn further about the taste of the sense of taste. So today we will learn about the sense of taste. This chapter is moreover very interesting because here in this chapter we will going to learn about our tongue. Yes, our tongue. So let's begin with our chapter. In your chapter there are 2 girls, namely Jhulan and Jhumpa. They love to play different types of games. Here their mother told them to play a new game. उनकी मदर ने उनको बोला चलो आज हम एक नई गेम खेलते हैं. Which type of game it was? That it was a game of tasting. It was a game of tasting. So I hope this will be very interesting. Here the rule of the game was one person has to be blindfolded. एक को अपने आंखों के ऊपर कपड़ा बांध के रखना पड़ेगा ताकि उसको कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे. And the other one has to be normal, and that other person will give the different types of food to eat the one who is blinded so that she can eat the different types of food. So here in this chapter Jhulan has prepared 4 types of different types of food. She have taken lemon, नींबू, then she have taken jaggery और गुड़, इसको हम गुड़ भी बोलते हैं घरों में. Then she have taken fish and that was the fish was cooked. Then she have taken karela or bitter gourd. But she have not told all about this to the Jhumpa because she was blindfolded and she has to guess all the types of food now one by one. So firstly Jhulan have taken a piece of lemon and she poured few drops of lemon onto the mouth of to the tongue of Jhumpa. And it's obviously lemon has a different type of taste. That lemon has a sour type of taste, and immediately Jhumpa has guessed it that it is lemon. जैसे ही उसकी टंग पे उसने few drops डाले लेमन के तो Jhumpa ने immediately उसको guess कर लिया that it is lemon. So the first one was correct. She have got it right. उसको पहले वाला बिल्कुल correct पता लग गया that it is lemon. Next Jhulan have taken piece of jaggery. Good. But her mother warned her that don't take a piece of jaggery. Crush it first so that she will take time to guess it. Okay. So she firstly crushed the jaggery or good and then put that piece into her mouth. And there what we found that Jhumpa have guessed jaggery also, and she was like yeah this is jaggery, it's very simple to eat it. जैसे ही उसने उसको टेस्ट किया then she was like yeah it is jaggery. good, उसने immediately उसको identify कर लिया. Next so jaggery और good भी हो गया, उसका second part भी खत्म हो गया. Next she have took a piece of cooked fish. You know why? Because you know what actually happened when Jhulan have taken a piece of fish to the mouth of Jhulan. Jhulan did not even eat it. Before eating it, she have guessed that it is fish. How? बिना ही उसने टेस्ट करे कैसे उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया that it is fish? I hope आपको आइडिया लग गया होगा कि उसने कैसे गेस किया होगा. Let me tell you. हुआ क्या, जैसे ही उसके माउथ के पास she had taken a piece of cooked fish, the fish has a very strong smell and that smell was like, उसने झुम्पा को फटाफट से वो स्मेल आई and she immediately guessed it without having it. उसने उसको खाया भी नहीं, उसके बावजूद she have guessed it that this is fish. So next वाला भी fish वाला भी हो गया correct. Now Jhulan was like, it is becoming very easy for Jhumpa that she have guessed almost all the things right. Only one thing was left, that was Karela, the bitter gourd. So this time, so before having the Karela, she put a condition, Jhulan put a condition that now this time you have to close your nose tightly so that you cannot smell anything, and also you have to clean your tongue with a piece of paper, with a piece of cloth. So she followed the rule, she followed the condition, she had holded her nose tightly so that she cannot smell anything, and also she have cleaned her tongue with a clean piece of paper, cloth, and then she have eaten pieces of करेलास. And imagine what would happen, क्या हुआ होगा, imagine क्या हुआ होगा. You won't believe this, when she had karela, she could not identify that what she was eating. Here she could not identify कि उसने क्या खाया है. So आप बता सकते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ होगा, that she could not identify करेला, जबकि करेला इतना कड़वा होता है. We all know that, हम सबको पता है कि करेला का थोड़ा सा कड़वा होता है और उसको खाना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है, और that too कच्चा उसको खाना तो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है. और उसको जब उसने खाया तो वो आइडेंटिफाई क्यों नहीं कर पाई, वो तो बहुत इजी होना था ना उसको करना. चलो मैं आपको हेल्प करता हूँ बताने में. एक्चुअली होता क्या है, when we eat anything, our nose often helps to identify its taste. Yes, आपने सही सुना कि हमारी जो नोज है, जो हमारा सेंस ऑफ स्मेल है, that also helps in identifying the food we are trying to, we are having it, we are eating it. Okay, जो भी हम खाना खा रहे हैं उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने में या उसके टेस्ट को पहचानने में सिर्फ हमारी टंग या टेस्ट सेंस ऑफ टेस्ट नहीं काम करता, साथ साथ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हमारा सेंस ऑफ स्मेल का भी बहुत जरूरी है. अगर नोज नहीं काम करेगी ढंग से तो बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना. आपने फील किया होगा समटाइम्स व्हेन यू हैव कोल्ड, जब आपको जुकाम होता है and you try to have very tasty food, even having tasty food, even then also you don't like the taste of the food. That is because जब आपको कोल्ड होता है तो आपका जो सेंस ऑफ स्मेल होता है वो थोड़ा सा काम करना बंद करता है, थोड़ा कम हो जाता है, उसका जो फंक्शनिंग है वो थोड़ी कम हो जाती है. दैट्स वाई जो आपको टेस्ट कर रहे हो उसमें सिर्फ आपका सेंस ऑफ टेस्ट काम उस टाइम कर रहा है, कोल्ड के टाइम, जुकाम के टाइम. तो उस टाइम बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है कि आपको सारी चीजों का टेस्ट इजीली आपकी टंग आइडेंटिफाई कर ले. इसीलिए आपको उस टाइम सब कुछ खाने में बहुत स्वाद भी नहीं लगता, सब कुछ बहुत बोरिंग लगता है, कुछ खाने का मन भी नहीं करता है. सो यही उसका बेसिकली रीजन होता है. तो जब भी आप कुछ खाओगे आपको टेस्ट करना है, आपको पहचानना है कि उसका एग्जैक्ट टेस्ट क्या है. सो एट दैट टाइम आपको कोल्ड नहीं होना चाहिए, आपकी नोज बिल्कुल प्रॉपर्ली वर्क करनी चाहिए और आपका मुंह भी बिल्कुल ठीक होना चाहिए, टंग बिल्कुल ठीक होएगी, तभी आप उसका एग्जैक्ट टेस्ट आइडेंटिफाई कर पाओगे. ओके, आई होप इतना आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा कि बेसिकली डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्ट. हमने जो टेस्ट यहाँ पे लिए एक बार देख लेते हैं. जो लेमन था विच हैज अ टेस्ट ऑफ, जो कि सॉर टेस्ट होता है, ठीक है. जैगरी होती है स्वीट. फिश का सॉल्टी टेस्ट था बिकॉज इट वॉज कुक्ड. और करेला इट वॉज बिटर. ओके. So now after this game her mother asked Jhumpa that when you were eating or having all these different items of food, then where on your tongue you could have taste different types of taste. So she asked, उन्होंने पूछा उसकी मदर ने that जब आप वो सब कुछ टेस्ट कर रहे थे different food items, तो आपकी टंग पे आप कहाँ कहाँ पे उन सारे टेस्ट को फील कर रहे थे। तो फिर झुम्पा टोल्ड हर, उन्होंने बताया झुम्पा ने, दैट व्हेन आई वाज टेस्टिंग द फूड व्हाट आई वाज फीलिंग दैट when I was having jaggery, when she was having jaggery, the sweetness of that jaggery she was feeling on the tip of her tongue here. जो शुरू शुरू का पोर्शन होता है ना हमारा आगे टंग का, उस पोर्शन पे she was feeling that the sweetness of the jaggery. Then she was telling that when she had the lemon, the sourness of that lemon was feeling on the back of the sides of the tongue. मतलब when you will see the tongue, when you will see this tongue, you can see on the back side of on the backs of the sides of the tongue. जो इसके दोनों sides के हैं ना, tongues के side के portion पीछे वाले, वहां पर she was feeling the sourness of the lemon. Then when she had the salty fish, the saltiness of that fish she was feeling on the front of the sides of the tongue. जो शुरू शुरू के पोर्शन है ना साइड वाले, जो टंग के साइड के जो शुरू वाले पोर्शन है, उन दोनों पोर्शंस पे she was feeling the saltiness of the fish. Okay, lastly the bitterness of the karela she was feeling at the last or the end of the tongue. जो सबसे लास्ट वाला पोर्शन है ना टंग का सबसे पीछे वाला, at that she was feeling that कि यहाँ पर उसको बिटरनेस महसूस हो रही है, कड़वापन महसूस हो रहा है. So these are the positions of our tongue where we could feel or have different types of taste. Understood? But what are there on the tongue that always helps us to identify the taste? So what are there on the tongue which helps us to taste? हमारी टंग पे ऐसा क्या होता है जो हमें किसी चीज को टेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है? So let me tell you that what are the taste buds. Taste buds helps us to know or to identify different types of taste on our tongue. What are actually they? Let me tell you that taste buds are the tiny bumps present on our tongue. So what are they? When you will see your tongue closely into the mirror, you will see that हमारी टंग के ऊपर there are small little tiny bumps. ऐसे उठे उठे कुछ होगा. When you will see that these tiny bumps are actually what? These are taste buds. Okay. So let us revise. So what are the functions of our tongue? Tongue has the main function of tasting food. Okay, tasting food is the main function of our tongue. Also it helps us in rolling down the food and in swelling it into it. Okay, so जो टंग होती है उसका मेन फंक्शन क्या है? एक तो फूड को टेस्ट करना और जो हमारा खाना है, जो हमारा फूड है, उसको स्वेलो करना, अंदर रोल डाउन करके स्वेलो कर लेना. ओके, लास्टली जो हमारा बीच का पोर्शन है, आप देख सकते हो ये मैंने खाली छोड़ा हुआ है. दिस इज बिकॉज यहाँ पर बहुत कम टेस्ट बड्स होते हैं. ओके, इसलिए हम उस पोर्शन को कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं, बाकी पोर्शन ही हमारे कवर हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो आई होप आपको आज का हमारा सेशन बहुत पसंद आया होगा. आप अच्छे से इस वीडियो को देखिएगा दोबारा से और अपनी अच्छे से पढ़ाई कीजिएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. बाय बाय.